Hi, VencoreWeather.com meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Wednesday, May 3rd. A significant rain event is headed into the Mid-Atlantic region. It looks like it'll be a soaking rain from late tomorrow night into the day on Friday for D.C., Philadelphia, New York City, perhaps resulting in 1.5 to 2 inches of rain by the time Friday night rolls around. All of this rain will be followed by a stretch of colder than normal weather conditions in the Mid-Atlantic region from Saturday probably through about Thursday of next week. Let's focus in on this significant rain event. It has a lot of things going for it. First of all, strong upper level energy. Let's start off by looking at the 500 millibar height anomaly maps from last night's 060 GFS model run. All these maps, by the way, available from tropicaltidbits.com. Blues here represent below normal heights. And as we move forward in 6-hour increments from right now, this is Wednesday morning, notice this intensification here in the center part of the nation of a deep upper level low. That just dives into the deep south and really intensifies here. This is now by Thursday night. By later tomorrow night, strong surface low pressure will be situated in the Tennessee Valley, headed up towards the eastern Great Lakes, all supported by vigorous upper level energy. Let's keep moving forward. Look at this by Friday morning. Very anomalous low heights here for this time of the year in the southeastern U.S., all supporting strong surface low pressure. Notice the I-95 corridor region from New York City down to D.C. will kind of be on the eastern side, the warmer side, of both the upper level low and the surface low pressure area, and this will allow temperatures to kind of warm up a little bit on Friday compared to tomorrow and allow for some convective activity. There could be some strong thunderstorms on Friday, perhaps even as early as late Thursday night, mixed in with the periods of rain, which will be heavy at times. Let's keep moving forward here now by Friday night. Still deep upper level low. And this just moves very slowly, and by the time we get to Saturday afternoon, we set up a real classical omega-shaped blocking pattern in the upper part of the atmosphere. It is dubbed omega blocking pattern because the upper level wind flow takes on the shape of a Greek letter omega, with strong low pressure or low heights in the eastern U.S., strong ridging in the central plains, and then another strong, deep upper level low along the west coast. Whenever you have an omega blocking pattern, systems at the surface move very slowly, and here in the northeast U.S. we will be stuck in a rut with below normal temperatures, and unsettled conditions could be definitely showers look likely Saturday afternoon, for example, midday and afternoon. Even Saturday night could be showers, and certainly a couple of showers are possible on Sunday and Monday as well, with the cool air in the upper part of the atmosphere. And again, below normal temperatures from Saturday, probably right through Thursday of next week following this late week significant rain event. Well, let's now focus in on the surface maps from last night's 6Z GFS model run. This storm, developing storm, has a lot of things going for it, and that's what we'll talk about over the next couple of minutes, reasons why it looks like a soaking rain event. First of all, cool high pressure situated right now over the northeast U.S. will be below normal temperature-wise today. High temperatures generally in the low to mid-60s. This acts as a nice overrunning surface for that warmer air to try to push in later tomorrow night and Friday. Low pressure already starting to form this morning over the south central U.S. Let's move forward in 6-hour increments. High pressure still sitting on top of the Great Lakes region by this evening. Strong low pressure forming. Keep in mind, strongly supported by an upper level wave of energy, and that low pressure heads from the Tennessee Valley towards the eastern Great Lakes. This is now by tomorrow afternoon. Still in the clear here in terms of rain in D.C., Philadelphia, and New York City, but by late in the day, certainly rain can move into the D.C. area, and then later tomorrow night into Philadelphia, and towards morning, Friday morning, into New York City. And at this particular stage here, by Friday morning, Very heavy rainfall can be occurring in D.C., Philadelphia, New York City. It could be raining so hard it has a negative impact on the Friday morning commute. Notice a long fetch of moisture here from the Gulf of Mexico. This particular surface low pressure area will have Gulf of Mexico moisture and Atlantic Ocean moisture feeding in, and it'll result in a soaking rainfall for the I-95 corridor. Here, by the time Friday night rolls around, the steadiest and heaviest rain is past the I-95 corridor, but it'll remain unsettled. Showers possible Friday night, showers likely on Saturday night, maybe even a shower or two Sunday and Monday as that deep upper level low just spins over the northeast U.S. Here we go by Saturday. Cooler air for this time of the year moving in, and really it becomes noticeable by Saturday night. Notice here as we move forward, some blues are showing up here. Indeed, this chilly air mass for this time of the year could result in some snowfall in some of the higher elevations of the Mid-Atlantic region, parts of the Great Lakes and Ohio Valley over the weekend and into the early and middle part of next week. So a significant rain event headed to the I-95 corridor. All of that will be followed by colder than normal weather from Saturday, probably right through about Thursday of next week. That's it for now. For VencoreWeather.com, I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian.